see what's in the other box. Tell these go by vendor, whoever I bought them from. And they're not really a vendor, they're a seller. eBay seller. Vendor's like a real business. Alright, what do we got? Nice packaging again. Always make sure there's nothing inside the packaging that you throw away like I did before, I think. This is nice stuff here. I like this. Ooh. Another good part. That's it. Something else. Flyer poster. Literature. What do we got? I like literature. I'm a big fan of paper products. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. There's a hot dog right there. That would be a 57 Sporty or a 58, depending on what it is. Oh, this is a poster. Yeah, this has got some good stuff in here. I like this. And my hands are semi-clean right now. At least we've got a nice clean surface to work off of here. This is clean right here. Alright. You got to be very careful with literature. It's old and brittle. This stuff is not made to be kept, so it's not a really good material. So this is 58. 58 Sportsters. You got your XL right there. You got your XLH right there. And then you got your XLCH down here, your racing bike. That's called dirt bike. See, he's out in the middle of the field, if you notice. That was racing back in the day. Look at the bridge in there in the road. That's open road. 2-lane blacktop. That's back in the old days. Being 58, of course. This here, the touring. See, they're going over, looks like a river. Same deal, old 2-lane road out in the country. There you go. Specification, it was a 55 incher. Oh boy. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, look at that. Could get we can see it. There's your Sportster motor. And there's your stock bike. I just happen to have one of those. Doesn't quite look like that. Mine's a race bike. I'm going to put my race motor back into a bike like that. That'll confuse a lot of people. That'd be a 150 mile an hour street bike. Yeah, that ought to piss off a few M8 riders. Alright, what do we got on the other side here? Alright, there you go. So the only difference between 57 and 8 is the paint job. 58 went over the top like that, 57 easy went straight across. At least that's how it is on the Big Twin. I assume same on the Sportsters and K models and Hummers and everything else. So there you go. That's your XL. The CH in 58 had the high pipe, or was that 59? I think that was 59 maybe. So here's your right side views, left side views. We got 2 views in one. There's your fancy shock with suspension and all that crap on there. There's your highfalutin new head. 57 is a 1 year only head. 58 and up is the later one. Not sure what they did different, but everything's 58 and later, that's all I know. The new 58A generator on there. Updated 2-brush. High dome piston. All of 9 to 1. Got the U-flex ring. That's a U-flex ring, in case you don't know the U-flex ring. That is just a U-ring. That's a big spring. That's it. Pretty crude, but better than what they had before, which was a solid ring. Didn't work for squat. There you go. I thought this had racing stuff on here. I thought they had pictures of race bikes on this thing. That must have been a different piece of paper. This one's just a straight Sportster. XL, they're not pushing the CH either, see. 58 would be the first year of a CH bike. And far as I know, the XL-CH had no headlight in 58, so this can't be a CH. They're just riding it hard. It's got to be an XL. CH had drag pipes on it, no tail light, no headlight. So this is just a straight XL. XLH is the same bike, just put a fairing on it, saddlebags, and a buddy seat. So this is not a CH. They didn't have the CH out yet. It came out late in the year. Mid-year introduction. So this is not the right literature. I thought I had the literature that had the good stuff on. This is just the street bike stuff, but still a nice poster. You can frame that thing up and look really nice. Yeah, stuff like that pops up on eBay all the time. If you like old bikes, that's nice stuff. There you go.